Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Alice. How are you today?
Hello, David. I am fine, thank you. I feel calm today. How are you?
I am very well, thank you, Alice. I feel relaxed. The day is slow. The weather feels quiet. It is a good day to learn English.
Yes, I feel the same. The day feels soft. I like calm days.
Me too. Calm days are good for learning. When we are calm, we can listen better. We can understand more.
That is true. When I feel calm, English feels easier.
Yes, that is very important. Easy feelings help easy English. Today, we are here together again for Easy English with David and Alice.
I like this time. I feel comfortable.
I am very happy to hear that. Today, we will practice English together slowly. We will take our time.
That sounds good. I do not like fast English.
Me neither. Fast English is difficult, especially for beginners. So today, we go slow, very slow.
Good. What is our topic today, David?
Today, our topic is English practice with simple sentences.
Simple sentences?
Yes, simple sentences. Very easy English. Very clear English.
That sounds helpful. I like simple sentences.
Simple sentences are the base of English. They are small, but they are very strong.
Strong?
Yes, with simple sentences, you can speak, you can understand, you can live in English.
That is nice. I want to live in English.
And you can, step by step, with simple sentences. Again, our topic today is English practice with simple sentences.
Okay, I am ready.
Very good. Before we start, how is your day today, Alice?
My day is okay. I wake up early. I drink coffee. I listen to English.
That is a very good routine. Wake up, drink coffee, listen to English.
Yes, I listen while I clean my house.
That is perfect. Listening while doing things is very helpful.
I feel less stress when I listen slowly.
That is our goal here. No stress, only calm English. Today, we will talk slowly. We will repeat. We will explain again and again.
That makes me feel safe.
Good. Learning English should feel safe. Now, before the lesson, I want to say something small to our listeners.
Okay.
If you like learning English with us, please like this video. It helps the channel.
Yes, please like the video.
And if you want more calm English practice, please subscribe.
Subscribe for more simple English.
Thank you so much. Now, let us begin our lesson.
Yes, let us begin.
So, simple sentences. What is a simple sentence? A simple sentence is short. A simple sentence is clear. A simple sentence has one idea.
One idea?
Yes, only one idea. For example, I am tired.
I am tired.
Very good. That is a simple sentence. One idea. You talk about how you feel.
I see. Short and clear.
Exactly. Let's say another example. I like tea.
I like tea.
Again, one idea. You talk about what you like.
That feels easy.
Yes, simple sentences feel easy. That is why they are good for beginners.
Can I try one?
Yes, please.
I am happy.
Perfect. Very good. I am happy. Simple, clear, easy.
I feel happy when I say it.
That is nice. Words have power. Now, let's repeat this idea again. A simple sentence has one idea. It is short. It is easy to understand.
Short, one idea, easy.
Exactly. Let's give more examples. I work today.
I work today.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Very good. Again, simple sentences. In real life, we use them every day.
Yes, I hear people say that.
In real life, simple sentences help you speak fast and clearly.
So I do not need long sentences?
Not at the beginning. Simple sentences are enough.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now let's look at another idea. Simple sentences often use I.
Like, I am or I like?
Exactly. I am, I like, I have. Let's say them slowly.
Okay.
I am.
I am.
I like.
I like.
I have.
I have.
Very good. These are very common. We use them a lot.
Can you give examples with I have?
Of course. For example, I have a job.
I have a job.
I have a phone.
I have a phone.
Good. Again, short and clear.
I understand.
Let's repeat this in a new way. Simple sentences help you speak with confidence.
Confidence?
Yes, when sentences are simple, you feel sure. You do not feel afraid.
That is true. Long sentences make me afraid.
That is normal. Many learners feel that way. So we stay with simple sentences.
Okay.
Now, let's add a small real-life situation. Imagine you meet someone new.
Okay, I imagine.
You can say, I am Alice.
I am Alice.
That is perfect. Simple, clear.
Or, I am from Morocco.
Exactly. Very good example.
I like that.
Now, small question. Alice, how do you feel today?
I feel calm.
Very good. Simple sentence. I feel calm.
Yes.
Again, we repeat. Simple sentences are short. One idea. Easy English.
Easy English.
Now, let's practice more. We can also use simple sentences with you.
Like, you are nice?
Yes, very good. You are nice.
You are nice.
Thank you. Another example, you work here.
You work here.
Again, very simple.
I like this practice.
Let's continue. We can also say simple sentences with he or she.
Okay.
For example, he is tired.
He is tired.
She likes coffee.
She likes coffee.
Very good. Again, simple and clear.
I think I understand better now.
That is great. Let's repeat again in a new way. A simple sentence has a subject and a verb.
Subject and verb.
Yes, for example, I eat.
I eat.
She works.
She works.
That is all. No need to add more.
That feels easy.
Exactly. Now, let's move to interactive practice.
Okay.
I will say a sentence. You repeat after me, slowly.
Okay, I am ready.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Very good. Again, I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I like simple sentences.
I like simple sentences.
I listen every day.
I listen every day.
Great. Now, question for listeners. Can you say, I am at home?
Repeat after David.
I am at home.
I am at home.
Very nice. Again, slow and calm.
I feel relaxed.
Good. Now, let's move to real-life situations.
Real life?
Yes, for example, in a restaurant, you can say, I want tea.
I want tea.
Or, I like coffee.
I like coffee.
Very simple. You do not need long sentences.
That is helpful.
At work, you can say, I am busy.
I am busy.
Or, I work today.
I work today.
While traveling, you can say, I am here.
I am here.
Or, I need help.
I need help.
Very important sentence.
Yes.
In a shop, you can say, I like this.
I like this.
Or, I want this.
I want this.
Again, simple, clear.
Simple sentences are everywhere.
Yes, they are part of daily life.
I feel more confident now.
That makes me very happy. Now, let's review.
Okay.
Today, we talked about simple sentences.
Simple sentences are short.
Yes, they have one idea.
They are easy to understand.
Very good. We used I am, I like, I have.
We practiced repetition.
Yes, repetition helps memory.
I feel better about English.
That is our goal. Before we end, I want to encourage you.
Encourage?
Yes, you can learn English.